Meaning of firewater.
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 Firewater. The term firewater usually refers to hard liquor, such as whiskey or rum, that is believed to have originated from Native American culture. It is often associated with negative connotations due to its links to addiction and substance abuse. The effects of consuming firewater can vary depending on the amount and individual tolerance, but it generally results in feeling a warming sensation in the body, decreased inhibitions, impaired judgment and coordination, and potential for health risks and addiction.